Laura Handke, like Oswego's transformational voice teacher here today, and thank you for joining me for this video about the very critical vocal topic of resonance. Now, the resonant space is what classically trained singers call the mask or the buzzy spot. See, there's all this space up here inside your head, your sinus cavities, and you really want to take advantage of that when you're vocalizing. This is stuff I wish I would have known back in school when I was doing a lot of performing. I didn't hear this term until I was in my 40s, so lucky you for hearing it today. Now, one of the most important things to remember when you're using the resonance in your voice is to breathe. And again, we're pointing the sound right up here into the mask, into the buzzy spot. And it sounds a little bit like this is the difference, okay? I'm pulling my voice out of the mask now. I'm lowering my pitch. I'm going into vocal fry, and I have no resonance. But now I have all kinds of resonance, and it is something you want to take full advantage of as a vocalist. Now, one way you can start to feel when you're in that resonant space is to pretend like you're a cow. So let's do that right now. Just go ahead, close your mouth, and go, Kind of sounds like a cow, right? Okay, well, you should feel some buzziness going on somewhere here. That's a great place to start. Just do the cow and start getting to feel that buzziness, that vibration going on with your resonators. Also, you can use words that start with M and N. Money's a good one. Me-oh, me-oh, my. How about na, 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 na? All of that helps get your sound focused right there. And a lot of times, I will tell my vocal students, I said, just pretend like you're from Brooklyn and like do everything really nasal-like, and that will help you exaggerate it and get the sound pointed right there. Now, why do we want to do this? It is the most efficient, effective use of your breath. When singers are pointed right there, that's why they can carry those long phrases and keep going and going and going. Also, this is the quality that causes your voice to carry all the way to the back of the room without a microphone. How cool is that? Also, as singers, staying squarely in the mask helps us stay on pitch. When I start going flat, I know there's a very good chance either my ribs are collapsing or I'm falling out of the mask. Also, it takes pressure off your throat. So as speakers, you really want to take advantage of this. And you can pretend like you're tossing your voice all the way to the back of the room when you're right there in the mask. Play around with this and let resonance be your new best friend as a vocalist. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.